How to fix Ingress Timeout error on Instagram. Hey guys, in this video I'll let you guys know how can you fix Ingress Timeout error on Instagram. It typically indicates a temporary problem with the device's connections to internet or Instagram server. To fix it, you could follow these steps. First thing first, always make sure to check your internet connection. So go to settings, go to network and internet, go to the internet and make sure to turn it off or disconnect it for a couple of seconds, approximately 20, and then at the same time you want to restart your router or modem, and that will be able to fix it. So if not, you could also try clicking on the button or the gear icon and click on forget and then repair it once again. That should be able to help you out. If the issue still persists on, you could also try using a cellular data if you have so. You could try disabling or try enabling any sort of VPNs that you have. That should be able to fix. If not, what you also want to do is long press the Instagram application. Click the I button, comes to the storage and cache. Click on clear cache and that should be able to help. If not, you could also check for an update. Sometimes it could be due to the outdated version. Head over to your respective app store. On the search box, type in Instagram and check whether there seems to be any sort of update available or not. Likewise, if the issue still persists on, then you could also try waiting for a couple of hours, as this might be a temporary issue, so it can be fixed on its own. And if not, you could try contacting support team or uninstall Instagram and then reinstall it, or try using a different device. That should be able to fix. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.